Hey guys, it's Dan Shark, and now that we're done with my platformer tutorial, I am going to be doing my a tutorial for a multiplayer Pong game. So first, make a spray. Make like a ball, okay, like the ball. I'm just going to use the ball sprite that's already in Scratch for the sake of time, but no. And also, if you use the one that comes with Scratch, it gives you a lot of colors. Just gonna do this one. And the size is already pretty good. And then make 2 paddles. You can either make it using like the square / rectangle thing, or you can make a very thick outline. Like 34 or something. And then copy, then I'm going to make the same thing but flipped for the second player. So just going to name these sprites player 1, player 2, and do whenever green flag clicked. We want it to go to the center, so go to 0, 0. Rather, I'm zooming in so you can see it better. Go to 0, 0. Then you need these, and then just put it to like, I'm putting mine to like the edge, like not exactly at the edge, but near the edge. And then for green flag clicked, go to that area. And then we just want the second player to go to the positive position of that. So 38, 9. Oh, that's a lot closer than you wanted. We want the Y to be the same, you know. Okay, yeah, that's good. Then it's centering, but it doesn't look centered, so that means these aren't at the exact positions. Actually, I think this is good. And then this one, instead of making tutorials, like different parts, I want to make one big tutorial since this one's fairly easy. So, so I wanted to maybe forever we wanted to go to the same X position, but we want to go to the mouse. So look, like, you can't see it if I was on computer. You can see it, but I'm moving my finger around, and it is 2. But actually thinking about it, I was originally playing that to be the case, but actually thinking about it, if we want to do mouse Y, then we'd need to, it would want to. So actually, I didn't actually think about this. Like, I saw a video on like a 1-player Pong game. This is supposed to be 2-player. This so actually, if key up arrow pressed, change Y by inch Y by 2 if key down arrow pressed, change Y by negative. Since I don't have okay. Wait, Daddy, I'm recording a video. Forever. I want to do the whole go to mouse Y thing. So, cause it's very easy. Ooh, I know. Maybe if so, and then put an if, and then less than 0, and grab Y position. No, not Y. Mouse X, and if mouse and less than mouse X greater than 0, and then we want to. So then if it's in the negatives, you move the first player, and if it's in the positives, you move this one. Now to make the ball. So you want it to ever move. I don't want like we want it to move then like a pick, and then we make a variable. Yes, variable. They're only gonna do a pick random block SX for speed Y, and then it can be for this read only, and then move SX steps, and then in the forever loop, set SX to SX times, and then 0.9, then so it's 0.9. Change X by SX. not the, it would be like change x by sx. Yeah. Alright. Alright guys, I'm gonna like pause and think about the script, so I'll see you back later. This time Shirk, and I think I found out how to do the whole wall thing. We actually don't need the sx variable, so whenever, and then forever move sx steps. I want to set sx to just like 2. And then we wanted to point in a random direction. Point in direction. Then like 90 to 170. And then if touching or 101, or player 2, you want to change sx by like 1, then point in direction, then actually do direction times -1 and 9. Then I want it to turn like random, like 15 to like 20. How come it's only... Actually, I want this to just be player 1. Like, greater than 0. If it's greater than 0, then set sx to 2.05. Checking player 2, you want it to change it by 1, but I want it point in direction. No, y position times -1. Direction. Direction times 1. Turn that way. Pick random. 15 to -1. If it's less than 0, then set it back to sx 0.5. actually working very nicely. So then if touching edge and then grab an and then it's less than 0. Broadcast player 2 wins. So if it's touching the edge and it's in the player 1's area, which is negative, then it will win. Then this freaking youth, right, called splash screen. Then you can fill it up anyway. Then just make thing. Then text. Yeah, like a gray or something. Then 2 wins. And like size it up. Hey guys, I'm recording this early in the morning, so like everybody's waking up and everything. And then just wins one. And I'll see you guys after I'm done designing this. Okay guys, so I'm done designing this, and then do whenever green flag clicked, hide. Reverse you player 2 wins. It's your costume 2. Intro. So they only do the code. It's even doing it if it's going into up or high, 'cause the edge of the screen. Maybe if like instead of touching edge, like X position is greater than negative, and I think I need to fix up the direction thing. That should be good. So it also has a concept one, and then it's less than negative. Let's try. Okay, so I'm not gonna move. And then after that, I wanted to stop the script so it won't keep on. Because as we've seen, it was kept on moving. Same with this. So instead of doing stop this script, for this, we need to do stop other scripts and sprite. Same with this. And then we need forever, go to 0, 0, the center. Because if you don't remember, it's the center because like it's in like it's like neither a positive or a negative. It's like in between. You can either count it as the highest negative or the lowest positive. It's just if the X position is Y position is very low, I think guys on the ball we needed to do stop this script before player 2 wins, or else like it will stop the script before it even broadcasts. So I wanted to also another thing that's in Pong, if it's touching the edge in the Y position, then it actually bounces. So you actually have to do if on edge bounce. But then if it's on edge, it bounces. So as soon as I broadcast, but then this creates a problem. We want it to bounce if it's on the edge, but it might try to bounce, and if it doesn't broadcast this script quick enough, it might actually bounce, and then it's not less than negative 234. So what we have to do is make a custom block called we type player 2 wins. And then we click run without screen refresh. So we put it in here. Then we just put it as the definition. Running without screen refresh. So it won't try to refresh the screen. It just does it automatically. So it's on edge, so it bounces. Oh no, that just created a problem, didn't it? Now it's super fast. Let me try this then. What? Why is it so late to respond to that? Then we just want to test it out. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. It's actually kind of working. Now I just have to make it go to the front layer. I'll put that in the forever loop because we might accidentally make it go in the... But why did actually making it run without screen refresh do that? Whatever. Let's just delete it. And I thought that would work better, but it actually makes it worse. Now we just have to do the if for the player 1 wins. If it's greater than the positive 234. And it's greater than 0. We need to broadcast player 1 wins. Then whenever I see player 1 wins, it's basically the same thing. It just switches it to the second costume. So let's try. Why is it bouncing? I think I know what to do. So only do if on edge bounce. If not, then or. Then put the less than or greater than, and put X position in the first ones, and negative 234, then positive 234. What? It should be working. Maybe I do have to make it a 2-parter just to figure out why it's not working. So guys, until then, until next time, goodbye. Okay guys, so I think I figured out how to do it. So we should keep the if on edge bounce block. We should actually make a border, but not necessarily a border, because it's only supposed to be on the side. But basically, a border, then if it's touching the border, let's name it border. Then, oh yeah, not if touching, put and take those out, put an and, then put those ends in the second column, then put if touching border in the first two. It's not touching the border. Oh yeah, we only need one, and then the whole X position less than, greater than. What happened to the text? I don't see the text. works, guys. So, yeah, basically, that's ping pong and Scratch. Maybe we could add a backdrop. Nah. I'm just gonna choose one. Maybe neon tunnel. Oh, yeah. This looks cool. Oh yeah, something I completely forgot. Delete whatever background you chose. We need to make there be like a separation, because like, you know, like we need to make it either the negatives or positives to control one of the players. But if people don't know where the 0, 0 is, then we need to make this. And so like if your mouse or finger is in this side, which is the negatives, it'll move player one. And then luckily we have actually a centered thing right here. Now we know where to put it. And now we'll know, like basically it's showing what's player one's area and what's player two's area. So I'm actually gonna tape it. And now we'll know. And then since you have that line, we can if you do want to add a background, make sure the background will you can still see the line that separates them. So that is it, our ping pong game. Let me just go over all the scripts. So for the ball, do wherever green flag clicked, point and direction, pick random -107 to 170, go to 0, 0, set SX a variable to 2. Forever, if on edge bounce, move SX steps. If touching player 1, then change SX by 1. Point in direction times -1. Turn clockwise, pick random 15 to 20 degrees. If X position greater than 0, set X to 2.0.5. If touching player 2, change SX by 1. Point direction times -1. Turn, pick random counterclockwise, pick random 15 to 20 degrees. If X position is less than 0, set X to 2.0.1. If touching border and X position greater than 0. Oh yeah, by the way, we need the border to forever go to the position I put it in. And then if touching border and X position is less than 0, broadcast player 2 wins. Stop the script. If touching border and X position is less than 0, broadcast player 1 wins. Stop this script. Then for the player 1, whenever green flag clicked, go to -38.9 forever. If mouse X is greater than 0, then go to X -38. Y, mouse Y. When I receive player 2 wins, stop other scripts and sprite. Then the same thing for player 2, but it goes to 208 for the X, and if mouse X is greater than 0, it does that. And splash screen is whenever green flag clicked, hide forever, go to front layer, go to 0, 0. When I receive player 2 wins, show switch costume to costume 1. Whenever player 1 wins, show switch costume to costume 2. And for the border, whenever green flag clicked, forever, go to this position. And yeah. And and you guys already know how to make a thumbnail for my third tutorial for the platformer, so yeah. Until next time, goodbye.